I want to touch on something that you said, which is a recurring theme in conversations that I have with entrepreneurs, that in law school, they don't teach you how to run a law practice. Um, in most careers, they don't teach you the business of, that career. And now you have universities such as Nova that have degrees in entrepreneurship, which is really interesting. Um, how did you, other than, or was it all this Arden Robbins that showed you how to run a business? I mean, because you had the influence from your father too.
Yeah, I mean, I never actually considered the practice of law as a business. I mean, they teach you black letter law. You go out there, you market yourself, you sell your wares, as it were, your services, and the phone rings and you collect money and you do the work. I never looked at it as a business. I never thought of it as a business. But when you boil it down, there's absolutely no difference between the business, and I'm not talking about the practice. I'm talking about the business of being a lawyer. There's no difference between that and a restaurant and a car dealership or a hotel. At the end of the day, you are selling something, whether it's cars, food, legal services, hotel rooms. You're still selling, and if you're and because you're still selling all those sort of things that go along with selling, like marketing and structuring the business so that the work gets done in an efficient manner, and that you give your clients slash customers a great experience. They all apply. It doesn't really matter. It's just that obviously in the legal environment, we're also governed by rules of professional responsibility, which means we don't steal the client's money, and we do what we say we're going to do, and we file the case timely and things of that nature. But at the end of the day, it's just a business. But that was a novel idea to me at the time.